The AVIC-6000NEX is compatible with Siriusxm through the optional SXV200 tuner. Once the tuner has been installed, you can just switch to the Siriusxm source. Now, there's a lot of interesting things going on the screen for Siriusxm. The first is our radio station presets for Siriusxm. We can set 18 radio station presets through this system. We have Siriusxm preset list number 1, and we'll open the preset list here. That gives us 6 radio station presets, and we can scroll down like this and get to the second 6 set of presets, and scroll down one more time and 6 more presets for 18 radio station presets. Or if we want, we can touch the SXM button right here and switch to preset list number 2 and preset list number 3. Touch it one more time. You go back to your original 6 radio station presets. I have 2 different modes to play back Siriusxm. One is the channel mode, where I can switch between channels right here. I can use the arrow to jump to the next radio station, or if I touch the radio station number, I can put in a radio station number and hit enter to jump directly to that channel. Or I have the replay channel right here. And with the replay channel, you see I have a play and pause function over here, and I have a scrubber bar across the bottom. So right now I'm on channel 8, and I have about 60 minutes to work with because that's how long my tuner has been on. And if I want, I can drag this scrubber bar backwards in time to hear what's been playing on Siriusxm previously over the past hour. I can continue to move around inside the scrubber bar if I want to, and if at any time I want, I can touch the live button and go back to live Siriusxm. To browse the list of available radio stations, I can touch the search button over here. Here I can choose what type of category that I'm interested in. We'll open the rock category, and here's a list of the channels inside the rock category, and we can touch any of those to jump directly to it. Let's create a radio station preset. I'll just tune in another channel, for example channel 6, and we want to make that preset number 5. All I have to do is press and hold number 5 for a couple of seconds, and that has created Siriusxm 006 as preset number 5, and we can see that in our preset list here. Since I have my preset list open here, and we are on Siriusxm number 1, let's take a look at the Tune Scan feature. If I touch Tune Scan, the system will give me a short preview of my first 6 presets and the songs that have been playing on those presets over the past hour or so, however long you've had the car running. Lastly, let's take a look at the Siriusxm settings. We'll touch the gears over here and go to the toolbox, and we want our source settings, AV source settings, and we can go to our Siriusxm settings. Here we have several different settings. The first is Tune Start, and right now that is switched on. We can choose to turn it off, and Tune Start will begin the song from the beginning on our first 6 presets. Next is our Parental Controls. We can choose to enter a lock code on the Parental Controls to lock out the type of content you don't want your kids to hear, and we'll go back. That'll say we've got an incorrect code for right now. Next is our alert list and our team settings. So if we choose to set up an alert for a team, and we can, let's see, we'll scroll down here and pick a hockey team, and we'll go back, and now when alerts are available for that team, we'll see them in our alert list. Or we can delete all of those alerts and go back up.